So welcome to this video. This video is about how to register SWAYAM codes in the year 2019 and 20. Okay, 2019 and 20. Now the courses are offered in the SWAYAM website. So how we are going to register this course? There are so many courses in the SWAYAM portal, NPTEL portal. Okay, so out of all these courses I have analyzed, these are the four courses which is very easy for us to do that. Okay, what are the courses are stereochemistry, introduction to polymer chemistry, then in introduction to introductory organic chemistry, and the general topic stress management course. Okay, these are the four courses. The other courses are from the engineering discipline. You can also check with the website that I will going to share in the WhatsApp group. Okay, now how to register this course? So I am advising the PG students to go for this stereochemistry. Okay, the UG students, you can go for uh, introduction to polymer science or introductory organic chemistry or stress management, but it is not compulsory for the PG students to take stereochemistry course. Okay, it is your choice. You can check so many courses there. Out of this I found these are the some of the courses that you are eligible to do, and also it is very easy to do. And these are all 8 week courses. The other courses are 12 week, 16 week courses. Okay, this is very short time. Only see July to September we can able to finish this course. So the exam is also on online only. That is also very easy to do that. See, this certification is very essential for the second year UG students and the first year PG students for the completion of your degree. Okay, so principal in the coordinators meeting, she told that it is compulsory for all the students to do this course. This particular thing is placed in the Board of Studies of Zoology and they have approved it. Okay, so it is now we have to check this course. So these are the courses. So you decide which courses I want to join. The link also I have taken and given here. What to do is, first step, I will share this Word document to you. Okay, so you just open the Word document and just click it this link. Okay, if you click this link, automatically it will go to the particular website. You can see here now. You see here, automatically it will go to the direction to the SWAYAM. This will be the page. Suppose if you are going to the stereochemistry, then stereochemistry is there. If polymer science, introduction to polymer science, the course is polymer science, you will see here. Now what is the second step you have to do is, you have to click this. Already there is 1176 students have joined this course. Okay, you can click this before joining this join button. You can click the course and you can see the teacher, what are all the things covering in this particular unit, what are the highlights of the course, all the things are explained here. Okay, now you have to click this button, join. See, it will go to this page. Okay, now we haven't already registered the pass with the username and password. If you are a new user, you can go with sign up now. Okay, see, I have registered, so that's why I am not able to go inside this. You have to go this button and they will ask your profile. You see here. Okay, so you have to click the username. What is your username? See, dumbly I can create one username, Shagina. Okay, Shagina J. Okay, sorry, J. Now you have to create one password. This password must be between minimum 8 character, one lowercase, one uppercase, one digit and one symbol. Okay, so you can place accordingly. Okay, so confirm the new password. Again you have to type that particular password. Okay, you write your email address. See, already I have registered, you know, that's why I am not going to this procedure. So you have to type your email ID and you have to click this button. Which button? Send the verification code. In your cell, you will get in your email, because we are giving the email address, no? So in your email, you will get a verification code. That code, you click that particular link. For example, I will give you. Okay, sent verification code. So immediately you will get one particular column. That column you have to fill the particular verification code which will be sent through your email ID. Please understand this. Then if you fill this verification code, okay, then you click this button verify code, then it will tell okay and then create. Okay, this is the way you have to first create your option. Please understand what we have to do. We have to sign up now. Okay, in the back, if you go here, you have to, if don't have an account, உங்களுக்கு account இல்லையா? ஆமா இல்ல. அப்ப என்ன பண்ணணும்? Sign up now fill பண்ணிட்டு, okay, அப்படியே ஒரு யூசர் நேம் கட்டாயம் நீங்க கொடுக்கக்கூடிய யூசர் நேம் உங்க நோட்ல எழுதி வச்சுக்கோங்க. பாஸ்வேர்டு உங்க நோட்ல எழுதி வச்சுக்கோங்க. அதே பாஸ்வேர்டை திருப்ப நீங்க டைப் பண்ணிக்கோங்க. உங்க இமெயில் அட்ரஸ் அடிச்ச உடனே சென்ட் வெரிஃபிகேஷன் கோட் கொடுத்தோடனே இன்னொரு காலம் ஓபன் ஆகும். அந்த காலம்ல உங்களுடைய மெயில்ல நீங்க போய் அந்த கோடை எடுத்து அதுல டைப் பண்ணிட்டானா வெரிஃபை கொடுத்தீங்கன்னா இந்த பர்டிகுலர் திங் என்ன செய்யும்? எனேபிள் ஆயிடும். புரியுதா? எனேபிள் ஆயிட்டனா ஈஸியா போயிடலாம். இப்போ நான் ஆல்ரெடி ரெஜிஸ்டர் பண்ணிருக்கனால நான் வந்து என்ன பண்றேன்னா I am going to Google. Okay, so already I have registered this particular course, so my email ID is registered. See, நீங்க பாத்தீங்கன்னா இந்த நீங்க ஒரு ஸ்டெப்பா நீங்க அந்த கிரியேட் குள்ள போகும்போது உங்க டீடைல்ஸ் எல்லாம் கேட்கும். இதெல்லாம் உங்கள்கிட்ட கேட்கும் கட்டாயம். உங்க நேம் என்ன, உங்க மொபைல் நம்பர் என்ன, உங்க இமெயில் ஐடி என்ன, உங்க ஏஜ் குரூப் என்ன, ஓகே, நீங்க எந்த கண்ட்ரில இருக்கீங்க, நீங்க ப்ரொஃபஷன்ல நீங்க நான் ஃபேக்கல்ட்டின்னு கொடுத்திருக்கேன்ல, நீங்க என்னன்னு கொடுக்கணும்? You have to give student highest qualification UG or +2. Okay, please give +2 or first year UG or like that is the qualification you have finished. Year of graduation, so you have to give the +2 degree and the particular results date and the year of passing. Part of the Swayam local chapter அப்படின்னு இதுல ஒரு question இருக்கு. Yes கொடுங்க. Okay, so yes. ஓகே, எஸ் கொடுத்துட்டு இதுல நீங்க கிளிக் பண்ணி பாத்தீங்கன்னா இதுல உங்க நம்ம காலேஜ் இருக்கும், சாரா டக்கர் காலேஜ் அதுக்குள்ள இருக்கும். ஓகே, தென் தமிழ்நாடு ஸ்டேட், தென் காலேஜ் நேம் யூ ஹேவ் டு கிவன் அவர் காலேஜ் நேம். ஓகே, அண்ட் ஏரியா, டிபார்ட்மெண்ட், கெமிஸ்ட்ரி கொடுத்துட்டு ஐ அக்ரி the terms and condition, I agree the honor code, then review and join. Okay, so இப்படியே கொடுத்துட்டீங்கன்னா அந்த கோர்ஸ்ல போய் ஜாயின் பண்ணிடலாம். So these are the steps we have to follow for the registration of this particular course. So இப்போ என்ன பண்ணிரும்? அந்த கோர்ஸோட அவுட்லைனுக்கு வந்துரும். அந்த கோர்ஸ் பத்தி என்னெல்லாம் இருக்கு, what are all the average assignment score எவ்வளவு எடுப்பாங்க, நீங்க you go through this. Okay, this online course எப்படி என்ன announcement இருக்கும், you can go here about the course. Okay, if you click the course, about the course, what are the things there, layout, what are the week 1, what are the activities, week 2, what are the activities, who is your instructor. Okay, so who will be get the eligibility certificate, all the things are given in this particular thing. Okay, then again every time you have to press this button, go to course. Okay, then only automatically it will enter into your course that you are going to register. This is the way you have to register in the Swayam portal. Clear? So what we have to do? We have to do first step. So I am signing out here. Okay, so when you click this particular, suppose someone of you have this type of சிலருக்கு இந்த மாதிரி ஸ்கிரீன் முதல்ல வரும், ஞாபகம் வச்சுக்கோங்க. சிலருக்கு இந்த மாதிரி வரும். அப்படினாலும் நீங்க பயப்படாதீங்க. என்ன பண்ணணும்? You have to click this register. Okay, then you will get this. Okay, சிலருக்கு டைரக்டா ஸ்டீரியோ கெமிஸ்ட்ரி அந்த டாபிக்குள்ள போயிரும், சிலருக்கு போகாது. Okay, in that case you have to do this. Okay, then you have to sign up now, then you have to enroll all the matters, so give all the details and you have to enroll the course. See, if you have any doubt, please ask me, I will help you definitely.